야다 너무 성을 참직 기기당 다드링인데 너무 솔직 예생 취약이 더 충성 드링이 해야 돼 당하나 지조 이날에 소아 소답 여러 디간 엔지 아시나선 지나 땅에 마이나 소답 나야 되다 소아 이야기 탑시 지금 라디오와 아니 땅에 망하나 배이나래 안다는 시사자 심바과 있네요. 소답 조디 아니 싱바다 로바 도시니 소답니 소액 탑시 니라 도 만다고 니라 게드니 되게요래 엔디니 다 림베 이거 탑지는 다 다리산라 믹스에기 니 정체 제가 된저 나눠라 다 소답 라야디 소답 라나레 안다나 신기다 용콩 소야시오 봐 용박 쇠발라 시요라 인디 아니다 탑시드 마수 시간 소디기 요래 인치 카르라나 다 레가 시야 지게 아 쇼고시드 구바니 아니 나와 봐 용라는 가나 좀 미창미기 9 to 5 라디기 요라 아니 이바디 소소소기 레가 지 튠진 소소 레가 지 소소로 쇠진 아 땅, 사강을, 총강을, 다나신 게 아니, doktor ki legung re, timzi ba ki legung re, da timzi sang mangchi chik in so da lega jun sha kashi re, ani inji tola self-employed lega dwa. Andini sumba di da chong les, da nga ranzu mangbu chiki yang kar chuk digi do shiwe na, chong le la di bina sagang chik da, chong gang chik da, da na shi tini rik chiki bina di chong le yin sam digi dwa. Ena ngoye ne zu toni di chong le la zigi mi do. Di karare la na di susu lega ki kundo la le dungi wari. Da chongle la ya di chik korang ki chik mala chik gyurim tawni par chik yungbab chik le ya chik suyotuba chik. Da inji tawla system la garwa, system chik gaji jen garwa. Mala chik gaji jibi tawni yungbab chik suyotuba yo na da di chongle chag yo da. Hiba di maza jugya, majuk. 마저 죽지네 아니 빼샤 수에스 의기 수에라 시로 다디 디시디다 소화기 아니 소화 계약 체리니 용법 수야긴 답시 시리 또 샤득도 다디네 누가 땅 하나는 오지기 샤샤베는 땅 하나 레가징이 레민도 샤득 그랬다 쇼바치도 그반니 건다치도 나와 봤다 다미 망치에 기체야디 디레 레가시야 디레다 레가 제사디 아니 롭다도 용스그레 다나신기 양 지게 소바도 용스그레 아니 에 로레 강도다 소종 강도다 아니 셰슈 강도다 엔다나신기 카실라야 수수 미케르다 이제 요요와 안디 디기레가 신인디 엔딜라 칼로였나 다 레미 레가 신인기 레미스 차르기 열었다 가라 된다 오지래 이나다 쇼르라 아니 냠돌라니 같이 열라나 총례식 뭐 조심다 로시 저거래 아니 누가라 아니 다소소기 냠용당 근데 그 토니 디양 알아서 지도나라 이 계시부시래 샤스 근데 인도 인디안지 고도도 싶에 나삼비기 아니 삼노시도 레스 직니 고도베야 디땅 알아기 랭케야래 나라라 총례식 여기 김전 대제네 이 총례디 라 총겸니시고 그거와 제가 총겸니 지메바이나 아니 총례지 소소가 카카 상와톤 예데베이나 총용금 말와 디도 아니 거의 디 챕터기 뭐라고 지금 엔다나 신냠도라 고도베야 지금 엔디 토니 린상기 나라주기 신기에 먹고 지냐 딜라야 두인 레바이나 아니 캡상지 독상바직 소소문이 네바 예베기 토니 아니 도스니에서 쉬우여와 타임베이나 단당이 총례디 지당 아니 노르트 아메리카 대시지 때버지 이바선자 아니 디 총디 지 나라주 베베기 지도 점 mayi bache ani merik damin sushi bayi nai lungba khande ki mishi bayi nai di songle de la nyamshu che ba che da che choba che da ani jingyen yan yo ba che yimba song zang anda na shen ngara da chi songle ki de zen korang ni yang ani da merik le yawa mebe thoni ani nyamshu che choba che to sindu kang la ngara yin bayi ne da di 상매 체크 셰일 베진치 디마상자다 상매를 펜터바디 인지게 자기 여러와 제가 대인도 간다 인지게 나라 아니 number 2 녀생 쉬야기 베진 쉬이 so my name is Ngawang Tashi I'm a Tibetan residing in New York City. Today I just would like to introduce or to make awareness about how to make an income, how we can earn an income. So in this regard, these days, as we know that there are 4 ways to earn the income. So I will going to describe those with help of a picture that is I'm going to share. I'm just sharing one. So this is the 4 ways to earn income. The first one is employee income based on positions, not persons. So employee means you are working for someone else. You are working for somebody, whether it is business entity, whether it's a school, college, institutions, or organizations, whatever, or even for a family or a person. So you are working for someone and getting wage or salary instead of your service, instead of your work. That is employee. And then next one is self-employed, which is more freedom, because here employee, you need to depend on your employer. You have to look for your employer. You have to take care for your employer's business or the entity, whatever he has having. Here, the self-employed means you own a job, whether it is dentist, doctor's office, lawyer's office, or hairstylist or hairdresser, real estate agent, or salesperson, or a restaurant, whatever you have owning, and you are working for that, and you're getting some profit, some income from your entities as self-employed. That means you have a job. The difference is here you are the boss, and it's up to you how much you're going to work. So how much you work, that much you will be able to earn. Your earning amount is directly proportions to the work that you have done or the time you have committed for your entity. And the third one is business. Many of us are confusing that self-employed and business, but in real sense, this is different. Business is working for them. It has unlimited income. It is a potential while manufacturing, marketing. There is a system. You have a system. You own a system. With that systems, you can earn your income. You can earn the money. That is known as business. And the fourth one is the investors, means has money working for him or herself. So now look at here, all of this, especially these two, you are working for the money. Now, in this case, the money is working for the person. Here, what people can do is enjoy the freedom and has the opportunity to achieve their dreams. So you have just invested, and then that invested money is going to multiply, and it's work for your, that is work for earning of your income. So this is 4 ways of earning income. This 4 quadrant has the different ways to earn our income. Now, as myself, I am doing a part-time business in a company known as Primerica. So let me introduce the Primerica. Primerica is a company, it's a financial distribution company. This is based in Georgia, Atlanta, and it is known to be as the largest independent financial service marketing organization in North America, which is founded in 1977. And then this company has been listed in New York Stock Exchange. So when company is listed in New York Stock Exchange, means the company has stock in the New York Stock Exchange. So this is the banner, and many of you been to New York, downtown Manhattan, Wall Street. There is a stock exchange, and there is the banners of all the investors, all the stockholders, shareholders. So Primerica is one of them, and this PRI is symbol of Primerica in New York Stock Exchange. And then this is also been came in Forbes magazine in 2022. Forbes is a journalist, it's a magazine, it's a famous magazine. It says that America's best insurance company, and also #1 most trusted life insurance company. And then in the Business Daily, it says that 3rd most trusted financial company by the Investors Business. So this is just a brief overview of my company, which is known as Primerica. Now the question is, what do you do in this company? What is your business? What is your role? What you can do in this? So what I'm doing in this company is so we are working in 3, actually there are too many, but just by making it a little bit shorter, I just put in 3 categories. That is banking, insurance, and investment. These 3 categories or these 3 fields are the most frequency field that we are working. So now here under the banking, we have legal service. That is in short form, PLTP. The legal service, once you have enrolled in this service, then you will get the legal service for any issues. Even, the smallest issues like family disputes or the neighborhood dispute. Two, the larger disputes like company or your business, your entities, any legal matters, you can have attorney from the law firms through this program. And the mortgage loan. These days, the peoples are people's coming forward to buy land, buy home. So the homeowners has to pay mortgage every month. So by any case, if the homeowner has got difficulties for paying mortgage, so then you can have mortgage loan through our program, and you can have that service too. And then identity defense. This is another important and related to all of us, because these days is the days of technology times. Everybody is using internet for so many purposes, for marketing, for purchasing things, for hotel booking, and almost not many, all of us are on social media. So therefore, there is a great chances or a great high risk to stolen our informations, identities by different scammers. And then they may use our identities for criminal purpose, for any purpose, for any of illegal purpose. So then if they use someone's identifications for such purpose, then that particular person will going to face the problems. That particular person will get into trouble. So therefore, the defending the identification is very important. So we have that systems or that tools to defend our identifications through ID theft defense program. Now in the insurance, we have auto insurance. These days, all the car owners, all the person who is having auto or car must have insurance. Without insurance, you cannot drive. But the caution is that the insurance are different in their costs. And the auto owners has facing problems by identifying which insurance company is better or which is fitting for his auto on basis of different factors. So in that case, our company also refers you to the many of insurance companies, at least 40 to 50 insurance companies. And then you will get opportunity to choose the insurance company which is perfectly fitting for your auto on basis of your effort, etc. And then home insurance also. Home is also must be insured. Otherwise, there is a risk of losing home by different natural disasters. Maybe got fires or carried out by floods. So any of the unforeseen or unforeseen incidents, unpredicted incidents, you need to insure your home. So in the same case of the auto insurance, we have home insurance too. And then the life insurance, this is the layman people says that life insurance actually it is called income protections. income protection means in a family, whoever is earning the income, that income must be protected in order to save the families. Suppose by any chances, if any family lost the income person, the person who is earning or who is generating the income, then that family will going to get big loss. The one is emotional loss, but then emotional loss or depression can be overcome by passing the times, but the losses occur due to the income earned by that person will not going to recover easily. So therefore, if you have protected the income of that particular person, even in case of loss of that person, of course there is some emotional down will be there, but financially, the income wise, it is already protected, so we will not going to lose the income earned by that person. And then senior health insurance, we have also a program for the senior people. Actually, health insurance is very important for everybody, irrespective of the ages. But then the most health problems are coming among the senior people. So therefore, we have especially for the senior people health insurance. That is senior health. Any of the senior, if you come to us, if you approach to me, and then we will going to refer you to so many health insurance company, and then you can choose any of them according to your comfortable basis or effort basis. So that is also a very helpful and important program. And the investment part, we have 457 stock tax deferred. That is, you have to, if you invested money in your tax deferred 457 stock, then the money accumulated in that stock is tax free. Then 401k is very famous, everybody knows that. And 403 also is a investment plan. These both are plan. So many of you are having these plans from your employer, but we also have these plans too. And then children's education plan, 529. Every parent has concerns about their children's educations. So to educate your children, you must have fund for their scholarship. So we have the plan 529. Then mutual fund is also one of the type of investment. In this case, you can invest anytime, and also you can withdraw anytime. Then annuities, and then management investment. Manage your investment. How to we will going to help to manage your investment by creating a management account, investment account. Then in the security field also we have automations, home automations. There are many companies who provide this service, but our service is providing through Vivint Home Automations. So with this, you can protect or you can secure your home from any distance with help of the electronic device. That is the these are the the brief overview of my, you can say, side business. Now, if you go again here, how you can do that? How you can do all those things from your company? So this is how we do that. This is our company, Primerica, and we are acting as a distributor, like mall. When you go to mall, a big mall like Maxi, and you will going to get the product of all other companies like North Face, Polo, Gap, H&M, H&M, and Nike, Skechers, any shoes like New Balance. So every products from all the companies are getting in one particular place. So in the same way, in our company, you will get all these services. All these services are accumulated, and you will going to get through our company. So this is income protection part. Commonly, people says that life insurance actually what we do is we are protecting the income. We are insuring your income, not your life. Actually, nobody can able to insure your life because it's not in our hand. Everybody have to die, but then what we can do is we can insure your income by protecting your income. So as I told you that our company is in North America, which includes Canada and United States. So in Canada, we have Primerica Life Insurance Company. In United States, we have National Benefit Life Insurance Company. So through these two, you will going to get the life insurance. So our life insurance is term life insurance. So we have a package, buy, term, invest, different. So I will going to explain about this package in another day, but today this is just a brief introduction. I'm just telling you the surface. So just I'm introducing these two company through which you're going to get the life insurance. And then, as I told before here, 401k plan. 401k plan is a retirement plan. So you will going to get retirement plan from our company, from these companies, through our company, I mean. So Canada is a CUNA Mutual Fund Group, and Equitables, Fidelity, Capital Growth, WIO, and American Funds, Julie. All these are the company which gives the service of retirement plan through our company. And then annuity, we have also the annuity plan through Bright House, again Equitables, Corebridge Financials, and Lincoln Financial Groups. Then management account, managing the investment. Actually, this is managed investment account. So through Primerica Advisors. Then you will going to get the mutual fund. As I told you, that mutual fund is type of investment, but for this you can invest your money at any time, and also you can withdraw the money at any time. Here, the money is growing on the base of rule of 72, but rule of 72 I was going to explain in another day because it has also it has a different it itself is a vast subject. So therefore, I'm going to explain the rule of 72 on another day. Now, the mutual funds you will going to get through this company are Capital Group, American Fund, Franklin Templeton. Maybe many of you are heard about this. This has also award known as Templeton Award, and Nuvin, Fidelity, Invesco, and American Century Investment. All this, the service of all this company, you will going to get received through our company. And I told you that legal service. Once you're enrolled in this plan, this program, then you will going to get service of the attorney to represent you in any of the court for any of issues, only for few nominal membership fee. At the same time, you are going to get identification theft defense. So many of you are purchasing so many things from Amazon. So Amazon is one of the website, and at the same time, also you are staying almost too many hours on social websites, social networks. So especially those you are purchasing something from online, then you have to give all the informations, all the identifications. So in that case, there is a great risk of stealing your informations and misusing your informations for different purpose, which you do not know. But as a result, there is a chances of getting a very high trouble, high problem in your life. So in order to protect from such situations, we will give you a service that is called ID Thief Defense. Then auto and home solutions, as I told you, we give auto insurance and also home automations, home insurance, all those services you will get from Answer Financials, and home is from Vivint Automations. So auto insurance and home automations from these two companies through our company. And then senior health Medicare, senior health insurance from Easy Medicare. That also we can refer you to this company, and this company will going to give you lots of health insurance services. Then the last, this is especially in New York, and we are extending it to many of the other states in the United States. So currently we have in New York City and other New York State, not city, and other some states also have this service. All the homeowners have to pay mortgage every month. If in case in some month your mortgage is kind of discontinues or something happened, then your loan will going to lapse. So in order to protect from this kind of problem, you can get mortgage loan from Rocket Pro TPO. So with this, also your the risk of protecting your home until you get paid all the mortgage that you're supposed to pay. So these are the the some of the services that is distributing by our company. And with this, I just want to show you another thing, that now how much you are getting, how much you are making is actually our company has got some systems. At the time of enrollment or the entry level, this is called pay setter. Pay setter or is a agent. The compensations for pay setter is 25% whatever you sell, and the little bit higher than is senior pay setter, senior life insurance agent. That is, they are getting 35% of whatever you sell, and then over that, the district leader, their compensation is 50% of whatever you sell, and then above that is division leader and regional leader, 60% and 75% of whatever you sell, and the highest or so all these are part-time. All these are part-time job, and above that, now full-time you can start from the RVP. Once you become RVP, you have to be full-time, and your salary, if we take it example of a salary or the income in a year will be 120,000 per year. So unless you reach the position of RVP, you are part-time, and you can earn as a part-time, you can earn with whatever you're doing. Your timing is flexible. You can start anytime. You can do it anytime, whenever you are available. So this is very flexible kind of business with very low expenditure. Actually, every business, even the tea stalls, you will have to pay for rent of the land, rent of the home or house, whatever you have getting. And then you have to buy lots of raw materials. All those are expenses, and the transportations. But here, this business doesn't have all those expenditures. Only thing is only the web maintenance that you have to pay. And then, yes, you must qualify to join this business. That is, to sell each product, you need license. So how you going to get license? Yes, all those licenses are expensive. You have to pay a fee for the license. But once you are qualifying, if you are qualifying or you have qualified to be to become an agent or to become part of Primerica, the company will going to sponsor you, and they will going to pay all the fees of your licenses, and you will be equipped with all licenses. That's a very, very big, the advantage side. Otherwise, in any companies, most of all those companies needs license to do job in their company, but then none of them will going to pay for your license. You have to equip yourself with a license. You have to, even if you want to drive Uber, you need driving license, and you need Uber driving license. And for that, in order to get your Uber driving license, you have to pay for that. And the Uber company will not going to pay or reimburse your Uber driving license. But here, when you do certain courses, then the company will going to reimburse you the cost of those documents, those licenses. So that is a very very unique advantage of this company. So therefore, I'm encouraging everybody to join and just try, especially the Tibetan young peoples who are just graduated from different colleges and looking for a job. this is a perfect kind of opportunities. And with this opportunity, you can do this strictly and become a business owner, or you can do this as a part-time, and along with this, you can do some other things. That is up to you. So therefore, what I'm encouraging, what I'm suggesting to all of you is this business is a very helpful and a low expenditure cost of a business. So therefore, I encourage all of you to join, and I'm ready to help you to move forward. So if any of you are interested, just inbox me on my Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp, or my cell phone, or you can email me. My information is everywhere, or even I'm going to put in this video. So just try, or just think about it. And if you have any curiosity or any questions on that, you are welcome to contact me. Thank you. And have a nice time, all of you. With this, I would like to say all of you should have an objective and try to excel yourself how to earn income. As I told you that there's four way of earning income. So among those four, which one is the best one? And in order to get the best one, what is the proper channel? So regarding that, just you can have a time with me, and I will going to explain you each and everything. Thank you.